Perfect all-in-one. The MFC L2750DW, developed for the busy home or small office, Brother's latest compact laser all-in-one printer features advanced printing at 36 pages per minute as well as faxing, copying, and scanning capabilities. Engineered for productivity, this replacement for the MFC L2740DW helps save time with single-pass duplex, two-sided, copying and scanning via an up to 50-sheet automatic document feeder along with multi-page copying, scanning, and faxing functions. Printing on the go. Send print jobs wirelessly from your desktop, laptop, smartphone, and tablet. The touch to connect printing with NFC gives added convenience. Cloud-based print scan. Print from and scan to popular cloud services directly from the two. 7-color touchscreen, including Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, OneNote, and more. Wireless printing. Exceptional support. Easily connect via wireless connections from your laptop, smartphone, desktop, and tablets. We provide free online, call, or live chat support for the life of your printer. Copy resolution. 600 by 600 max DPI. Power source AC 120 volts 50/60ths of a hertz. Top reviews from the United States. Brother MFC printers are excellent. This printer was purchased to replace the LW2700 that had been in service for years. It was the casualty of a lightning storm that also took out other appliances, even though the house has a whole house surge protector. Like its predecessor, this printer works well, and has no idiosyncrasies. The installation package does include some junkware for advertising, nagging, their automatic toner replacement service. But that is easily deleted, and doing so doesn't affect the printer operation. I use both scan and print functions directly from Adobe software, or MS Office, but Brother does include utilities if you have nothing else. I would recommend this printer to anyone that needs a monochrome printer.